a regular deck of playing cards. That's all you need for one of my simplest and favoritist connection activities. It's called Card Talk, and you can see it played here with a real group. First, spread a deck of cards face up in front of your group and invite each person to choose one, based on how brave they're feeling right now. Feeling bold? Grab a high-value card. Prefer to play it safe today? Choose a low-value card. And here's the insight, and this is the part I love. Nobody is forced into vulnerability. Every person self-selects their own level of participation and sharing. Now that's a powerful thing in any room, but especially if it's full of strangers. Oh, and you can't get it wrong. And once everyone has a card, they find a partner and share as many things about themselves as the value of their card. So for example, if it's a 2, you share 2 things, and a jack would share 10 things. Then they move on and repeat with as many different partners as time allows. Simple, brilliant, and the conversations it sparks are genuinely remarkable. One deck of cards, endless possibilities. For 80 more ice-breaking connection type activities just like this one, check the link in the description below. And if you like this idea, be sure to hit the like button. And if you really like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Lazy Facilitator tips and activity ideas. Thanks for watching and have fun out there.